This is an AI clone I just created.
Something really interesting is happening right now with AI influencers. People are building entire social media pages using AI-generated personalities.
It looks, sounds, and even acts like a real human. But here's the wild part. I can make it speak any language I want. Pretty insane, right? Right now, people are using AI clones to completely scale their content. They're posting daily without being on camera, running faceless channels, and building entire audiences on autopilot. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build your own ultra-realistic AI avatar in just a few minutes. And once you have this set up, you can literally automate your content. The possibilities are endless. It can even become a whole new income stream running in the background. Let's get straight into it. Head over to HeyGen and sign up for a free account. Once you're signed up, you'll be taken to your HeyGen dashboard. From here, you can click on the HeyGen logo, and it will show you all of the options available for what you can create. You can build a video scene by scene using the AI Studio. I'll get into that shortly. You can also generate a full video from a single prompt, where HeyGen writes the script, selects the visuals, and creates the avatar. If you already have a script, you can upload it, and HeyGen will automatically create an AI avatar from it. HeyGen also allows you to upload a video of yourself talking, and it will create a realistic AI avatar that sounds and moves like you in that video. You also have the option to translate any video you upload into over 175 languages, which is crazy. And finally, you can start with one of their pre-made templates. For the purpose of this video, let's jump into the AI Studio and create our own AI talking avatar. So now we're inside the AI Studio. This is where you'll create your AI avatar videos. You'll see that you have the option to create your own AI clone of yourself or build a completely virtual AI avatar. HeyGen also includes a range of AI tools to help with your content. There's an AI scriptwriter, AI motion designer, AI image generator, and even an AI video generator. Next, we have the Media tab. HeyGen provides a large library of stock images and videos you can use, which is a really useful feature. Then there's the Elements tab, where you'll find ready-to-use components like name cards and more. After that, we have the Music tab, which includes a full library of stock music you can add to your videos. Next is the Captions tab, which allows you to instantly add captions to your designs. Then we have Layouts, where you can choose different formats. For example, if you want a split-screen layout, you can select it here. There's also the Recorder, which lets you screen record with your own voice, and it will automatically add the AI presenter for you. And finally, there are templates, where you can choose from a range of pre-built designs and instantly apply them to your video. So let's go back into the avatar section so I can show you all of the different options when creating your avatar. From here, you can select any of HeyGen's built-in avatars and filter them using the options at the top. You'll also see a section called My Avatars, where all of your created avatars will appear. For this video, I'm going to create an avatar using an image of an AI influencer that I made. This one AI influencer made me $6,000 in the first month just by using HeyGen. Click on Create Virtual Character, then upload your reference image and click Upload. Next, you'll need to enter your character's details so you can reuse it later. Then click Continue. Now you can choose your avatar's voice. You can clone your own voice, select one of the HeyGen voices, or even connect to third-party tools like ElevenLabs and generate a voice directly from there. Once you've chosen your voice, click Select Voice. And just like that, your character is created. Now let's head into the AI Design Studio to create our first video. Your custom avatar is now ready to edit inside the studio. All we need to do now is adjust a few settings, and we're ready to go. I'll walk you through the main features. On the left, you have the scriptwriter. This is where you input what you want your AI avatar to say. On the right, you can choose your motion engine. You have Avatar 5, which is used when you upload a real talking video of yourself. Then there's Avatar 4, which is the most realistic option for non-human avatars like the one we just created. And finally, Avatar 3, which is the free, unlimited basic model. But it won't look as realistic. I'll show you a side-by-side comparison of these at the end so you can see the difference. You can also change the background of your video directly in the Design Studio. You can remove it completely or replace it with a solid color. You also have options to adjust the background radius and zoom. You can even add pauses into your script to make the delivery sound more natural and human. HeyGen also allows you to change the delivery style so your avatar can speak with different emotions. And you can even mirror your own voice. There's also a huge library of templates available to choose from. Anyway, enough of that. Let's go back into the design studio and generate our AI avatar so we can preview how it sounds. All we need to do now is click render and generate. Let's listen to the basic Model 3 first.
Hey, my name is Alexia Rai, and I was just created by the anonymous AI plug for his YouTube video. I hope you like me.
Now let's listen to the more advanced Model 4.
Hey, my name is Alexia Rai, and I was just created by the anonymous AI plug for his YouTube video. I hope you like me.
What do you think? Is there much difference between Model 3 and Model 4? Let me know in the comments. And that's it. That's how you can create your own AI avatar that looks and sounds just like you. Honestly, it's crazy how far this technology has come. If you found this useful, drop a like and subscribe, because I'm going to be sharing more content like this around AI, automation, and using it to make money online. And if you want to go deeper and actually learn how to use these tools to generate passive income online, click the link in my bio to join my free AI influencer workshop, where I show you how my AI influencer made me $6,000 in just 50 days. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.